Hello everyone. This is a quick video which I wanted to make about inquiring basically about what sort of YouTube statistics, if at all they are available at a country level. Now, some of my clients and indeed myself, we've been wondering. The viewership of YouTube as a whole has gone up tremendously in recent times, but we would definitely like to have some very specific statistics, because say at an account level, if I like I'm the owner of this channel, so I obviously know in every video of mine what sort of viewership it's getting, from where people are coming, and I have all that insight and information which YouTube provides. But if I am not so, but for other channels and other videos, if I would like to have that kind of insight, what are the means which I have for that? This is something which I feel, especially now that YouTube is growing so much across the world. I think it's important that it publishes certain statistics this way, wherein at a global level as well as at a country specific level, we have an idea. Say we have a particular video which is really very popular, and the people across the country are seeing it. At the same time, probably there are certain pockets within the country where that video is more popular, more people are seeing it there, and therefore that there are customized ads which can be run there, which are say from local advertisers, or the ads on that, the view as per the views in that particular region, the ads can probably carry a higher rate. There are so many possibilities. So this is something which I and a lot of other my clients, people whom I know, people who work in this online business domain, a lot of us have this question. So I would really appreciate if, I know YouTube comes out with a lot of reports and statistics, and I know there's Alexa, but again Alexa comes out with very broad level. There we see that YouTube, a large percentage of YouTube's traffic comes from India, no doubt. But then more specific on the ground level information is what we are looking at, and not necessarily for our own videos but for others, so that we can at least explore the possibility of targeting certain advertisements accordingly. So if anybody at YouTube, at Google, if he or she is watching this and probably can throw some light on this, it would really be appreciated. Thank you so much.